If you're a lazy girl like me, you want to make as much money as possible by doing the least amount of work. Now you might be thinking, is that even real? Yes, it is. Hey guys, it's Sabah, the owner of a multi-six-figure online business. And today I'm going to share this step-by-step process on how you can make $100 a day, even if you're starting from zero. There are a lot of products out there that can make you $100 a day, but the best one to get started with is digital products because it requires $0 to get started and you can make money as soon as today. I'm going to show you how to create a mini course that you can sell anywhere from $50 to $100. There's a lot of different ways to create courses, but I'm going to show you the simplest way so you don't have to spend even more money on additional softwares to host the actual course. And the kicker of all of this is you can get it done all in one day and start making money. If you don't know what a course is, it's basically a compilation of videos, templates, and guides showing the step-by-step process to get a specific result. So you can create courses on literally anything. So let's begin. The first thing that you want to do is pick a topic to create your mini course on. You can create courses on literally anything. It can be health, fitness, sports, cars, relationships. For this example, I'm going to use the topic of fitness. Now, after you pick a topic, what I usually do is find a specific problem people have in that topic, and what I use is Google Trends. So if you guys don't know what Google Trends is, it's basically a software I use to look at what people are searching right now and what's trending. So for an example, if you're creating a mini course and you're not exactly sure what people need help with, you can search keywords on Google Trends to see the frequency of how often people are searching for that thing. For this example, I'm using fitness. So within fitness, most people, they either want to lose weight or they want to gain muscle. So I'm going to type in lose weight and see what comes up here. So this is populating. So you can see interest over time within the past, this was only within the past day, but you can change it within the past 30 days and look at the frequency of what people are searching. Now you can compare lose weight, that term, to something else. So let's type in gain muscle and see what comes up. So the reason why we're doing this is because when you're creating your digital course, mini course, you want to think of a name that most people are going to resonate with. If you name it something like how to do like the keto diet, and that's not something people are searching for right now, it's going to be harder for you to actually sell that mini course. So if we look at it here, you can already see lose weight, it searched way more than gain muscle. Now we can even add one more thing here and maybe like diet. We'll type in the word diet. And that actually even has more keywords and more of a search than lose weight. So now that we know lose weight and diet are keywords people are searching for, we can create a mini course on how to lose weight without dieting. So now you have the title and the concept of your mini course. What we're gonna do now is outline the entire thing. The best way to outline a course is basically brain dump all of the information on a Word document or like Google document. So if you look at my screen here, I'm just gonna name this fitness course. And the title that we came up with was how to lose weight without dieting. It's actually very simple to outline the course. Sometimes people think about, oh my gosh, this is a lot, I have to put in so much detail. But if you think about the A to Z step that you would take someone through if they wanted to lose weight, you already know that thing because odds are you chose a topic that you're already really passionate about or you're already very skilled on. So if I was creating this course, what I would basically start off with is, what is your goal when it comes to fitness? That can be the first topic that you talk about, and maybe you talk about goals, you talk about mindset, you talk about confidence, and you talk about maybe your own story because you might have your own story on dieting, weight loss, fitness, whatever. Now, the second concept you might take someone through is food, like what foods you should actually be eating and what you shouldn't be eating in order to lose weight without restricting yourself. So that might be good foods to eat, bad foods to eat, maybe the 80-20 rule, 80% of the time you eat healthy, 20% of that time you eat junk food, whatever you want. And maybe one last thing you add in is like restriction versus indulging. And once again, I'm no like food expert or fitness expert. I'm just using this as an example. Now, the third thing might be working out. So we're gonna type that down, and it can be exercising, how to use the gym. Maybe it's different like muscle groups. So you guys get the point. I'm not gonna outline this entire thing, but think about it. If you're helping your friend lose weight and she came to you basically not knowing anything about fitness, anything about dieting, what would be the A to Z step-by-step process? And this is the same thing if you were doing a course on makeup or real estate or confidence or finding a good relationship. What would be the A to Z process you would take someone through? So now you finish the outline of your course. You basically have to put it together in like an ebook or create videos so that way people actually know how to go through the process that you're teaching them. Usually what I do is a combination of like an ebook and video training. So for an example, what I'm gonna show you here right now is we're gonna go into Canva and take the outline you created and turn it into an ebook. Now, there might be some parts of the actual ebook where it would be easier for you to create a video and actually show how to do like the workout or how to do the exercise. But the first thing we're gonna do is take that outline and put it into Canva. So if you don't have an account on Canva, create one. It's literally the best software to use if you're doing like graphic design, you want to create digital products, ebooks, basically anything. So you can see my screen right here. We're gonna pull up an ebook. So you can also type in like templates, and there's literally thousands of templates that you can search. You can see there's so many that you can use. So once again, with a mini course, like you don't have to do an ebook with it, but it's the easiest and it's the simplest way to create a digital product that you can sell. So we're gonna type in ebook, scroll down, and once again, all of this is customizable. So if you don't find one that you don't like the colors, don't forget you can change that. So I'm gonna find one that looks pretty good. So the thing is with Canva too, you can even type in fitness ebook and find something that's already a little branded, so you don't even have to change that much. So already this one or this one pops up and it catches my eye. Visually, I also love to find one that's like bright, it's vibrant, it's easy to edit as well. So we're just gonna choose this one and click on customize this template. So now you can see it is basically this one has 3 pages of content that you can edit. So if I were to change this, I can say mini course, and I can type in how to lose weight without dieting. So that's too big, so we're gonna change the font so it's a little bit smaller right here. So you can once again see how easy this is to edit. And maybe I'll put my name here, because I'm the creator of this digital product. You can delete volume 1, you don't necessarily need that. You can have like a table of contents if you want to. Usually I don't. I'll start with like my story, and for time's sake, I'm not gonna write out my entire story, but you can start off by sharing your story and talk a little bit about you and why you even created this course. Most of the time, people really connect to stories, and it's much more likely after they buy your digital product, they buy your mini course, they will actually go through it, complete it, and maybe even come back and buy from you again. You want to make sure you're not just putting in fluff. It's like real good, potent information, because that's actually what sells. So sharing your story, and then we can go into the first concept, which is, what did we write down over here? Goals. So the first thing can be goals. And basically all you're doing is you're going to take what you outlined over here and put it into words. So you can see how simple and easy this really is. If you block out 1 or 2 hours today, you can probably complete your entire ebook for your digital product. Now, the fourth thing that you want to do after you have created your ebook is you want to skim through and take a look at where are different areas that I can create short videos on. So once again, for an example, since this is a fitness ebook, you might want to create videos on how to do a specific workout or or how to create a specific recipe for dinner. So usually for a mini course, I love to have a template ebook like what we just created, and then anywhere from like 2 to 5 short videos that can help the user actually go through and get results with. And this doesn't have to be like, you don't have to buy a new camera, new lighting. This doesn't have to be super professional. I remember when I created my first mini course, I honestly just shot it on my iPhone and it worked. People bought. So you don't have to go buy new equipment. You can get this done today. And to make it even easier, sometimes I will record using Zoom or Loom on my computer, so I don't even have to prop up my phone and create these videos. And when you're creating these videos, they don't have to be super long. They can be short, anywhere from like 5 to 10 minutes. Make it really simple and digestible for the consumer. So you don't want to have like hours of videos, because most likely people won't go through all of that and they won't complete your course. Now we're almost to the end. The fifth step that you want to do after you have created your ebook and you have recorded your videos is you want to upload all of that into a Google Drive folder. Now, usually when I'm creating a course, I have an online portal that I use, whether it's on ClickFunnels, it's on Kajabi, Teachable. Those are all online platforms that you can create courses on. But if you are just getting started and you don't want to pay like $100 a month right off the bat to host your course in, you can just put everything in a Google Drive folder and share that link to people who buy. And once again, that's what I did in the really beginning before I ever even knew how to create like a website. So all you have to do is go to Google Drive, click on new, and then hit new folder. And that's where you want to type in the title of your mini course. So how to lose weight without dieting. Hit create. And if you click on that folder, now this is where you can drag and drop or upload your ebook and videos. And then how you basically want to share it is if you click on this tab, there will be a button that says share and it says copy link. When you copy that link, that is what you can send people after they buy your mini course. Now that you have the digital product and mini course created, the last step is how to actually sell it and get people to buy. So it's really easy. You don't have to use ads. Basically, all you have to do is create content on Instagram and on TikTok. Short form videos is where most people are getting the most reach right now, and basically create content on all of the concepts that are in your ebook. So you can talk about, this is like the top 3 ways on how I goal set to actually lose weight, or these are 5 recipes you can use today and create in under 30 minutes. Those are different type of topics you can create short form videos on, and then in the caption just tell people to go to the link in your bio and purchase your mini course. And if you do the math correctly, if you price your course at even $50 or $100, that is only 1 or 2 sales a day, and you can make $100 passively without doing that much work, because now you have the mini course created. All you have to do is drive traffic to that link. Comment below and let me know, what topic are you gonna create your mini course or digital product on today? And if you've watched this whole video and you're like, okay, this seems so fun, it seems so simple, so clear, but I'm still not sure what topic I'm very like knowledgeable on, you probably have a lot of different topics that you can create courses on. Just think about, even if you work a job right now and you're in sales, you're in customer service, or you do nails, or you do hair or makeup, people want to learn how to do that thing. I promise you, you can make a course on literally anything. And if you need help, comment below what you're really good at, and I'll comment back and let you know what is a good topic you can create a course on. And if you guys love this video, make sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe. I come out with weekly videos, Sundays with Sabah, teaching you how to build the most unforgettable life by being your own boss. And until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.